Top 5 Best Rain Shower Head. Hello everyone, take a look at the best cheese graters in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these cheese graters, you can check out the links in the description below.
Audio Jungle.
Luxe RainLuxe High-Pressure High-Flow Showerhead. Does your shower head spray not provide enough coverage? Don't get left in the cold, get a Luxe RainLuxe Rainfall Shower Head. Several sizes to choose from. These high-volume shower heads features hundreds of self-cleaning, powerful jets. The air-infused water literally pours over you, just like you're caught in a warm spring rainstorm. It's so relaxing. Transform your plain old bathroom into an at-home spa. You'll look forward to your shower every day. Our top-rated shower head is built to deliver years of enjoyment. It looks great in any bathroom and will not rust or tarnish. The Swivel Flex head allows you to adjust the spray to suit your personal tastes. Best of all, the Luxe RainLuxe Rainfall Shower Head is a snap to install. No need to call the plumber. It's simple. Delta Faucet Single Spray Touch Clean Rain Shower Head. Replacing your one of the quickest, simplest upgrades you can make to your shower. Delta shower heads feature a wide range of styles and innovations and install in less than 20 minutes, no special tools required. The overhead rain shower head design provides a unique showering experience like that of a drenching rainfall. This brilliant stainless finish has subtle, warm undertones which make it an excellent match with brushed nickel or stainless steel and is extremely versatile, complementing nearly any look, be it traditional, transitional or contemporary. While other products may gather unsightly mineral buildup over time, Delta Soft Rubber Touch Clean Spray Holes allow any mineral residue on your Delta shower head to simply be wiped away for an instantly refreshed look with no need for soap. Delta Faucet Single Spray Touch Clean Rain Shower Head. Replacing your of the quickest, simplest upgrades you can make to your shower. Delta shower heads feature a wide range of styles and innovations and install in less than 20 minutes, no special tools required. The unique, overhead design of the rain shower head provides a showering experience like that of a drenching rainfall. Chrome has rapidly become one of the most popular finishes across decor styles in the bathroom thanks to its stunning gloss and innate versatility. Paired with crisp lines and bright whites, it creates a bold modern contrast, but it works equally well with vintage styles and traditional spaces to convey a hint of nostalgia. While other products may gather unsightly mineral buildup over time, Delta Soft Rubber Touch Clean Spray Holes allow any mineral residue on your Delta shower head to simply be wiped away for an instantly refreshed look with no need for soaking or the aid of chemical cleaners. Delta WaterSense labeled sink faucets, shower faucets and toilets use at least 20% less water than the industry standard, saving you money. American Stand 35001.278 Spectra Plus Rain 11-inch Shower Head. Have a more enjoyable shower with the Spectra Plus Rain 11-inch rain shower head from American Standard. Feel the relaxation of being fully drenched in the shower with a flow pattern that brings a downpour of water over you each and every time. The Spectra Plus rain shower head is easy to clean too, with nozzles that can be easily cleaned from lime and calcium build. American Standex 160,528.295 Studio S 8-inch water-saving rain shower head. The Studio S sleek, geometric design into the bathroom for a modern metropolitan appeal. Providing a drenching spray, the rain shower head has an 8-inch diameter for an indulgent shower. Complementing the rest of the Studio S collection, the shower head is the perfect addition to contemporary bathroom suites. Click link in this video description for more details and price. If you like my video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.